Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about joining operation of arrays, concatenate. So how concatenate function work in NumPy array? Let's understand today. So before starting concatenate function, we have to import NumPy as NP. So here we imported NumPy as NP. Now we are taking a help of help function and find out what parameters concatenate will take and what will it returns. Okay, this is the syntax of concatenate function a1, a2 and so on. This is the sequence of input arrays. The arrays must have the same shape except in the dimensions. Same shape means number of rows and number of columns available in all arrays should be same, not dimension. Dimension can be a 1D, 2D or 3D. And axis equal to 0 as I already discussed in my previous video, which will define that how concatenate operation will happen. Like if you want to concatenate two arrays or multiple arrays according to row wise, so we have to put axis equal to 0. If you want to concatenate two or more arrays according to column wise, it will concatenate for that axis equal to 1 is used. Out equal to none. This is optional if provided the destination to place the result. The shape must be correct, matching that of what concatenate would have returned if no output arguments were specified. So we will understand by using up some example. So first of all, let's create one array. Here I created a 2D array by using of np.array. Here you can find out this is the transpose. We can directly a.t and we can get a transpose of this matrix or array, or we can also do this operation by np.transpose a, which I already discussed in my previous video. This is only a transpose operation short form how we can do in short way. Now let's create a second array np.array 4, 5 and 6, 7. I think one bracket is missing. Done. Okay, let's print it. Okay, this is the array. Now we will use concatenate operation. np dot concatenate. What do you want to concatenate? A comma b only scalar. What will be the array use? Okay, we have to give some inside a tuple. Okay, axis equal to 0. Yeah, we have to give the axis also in the case of two-dimensional array. So here it is taking value like how we want to concatenate together. If there is 1D array where there is no need to specify axis equal to 0 or 1, because it automatically takes into row wise. But in the case of second dimension 2D or 3D, we have to mention the axis, like it is taking value like 1 2 3 4 and it's row wise 4 5 6 7. If I put axis equal to 1, then it will taking value as a column wise 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7. In this way concatenate function is works. Now create a different example. np dot arrange function taking its value taking, and also create np dot arrange 6. Now concatenate of both function. Concatenate, sorry, both array C comma D. Okay, we have to put inside a, yeah, inside a tuple. So in this way concatenate function works. We have to give inside a tuple. It's a syntax of concatenate function. Here you can see, here you can see in syntax we have to, like in inside a tuple we have to provide all arrays. Like we can also do in in this case also. It will, now it will works. Okay, it will taking value as a row wise because x is equal to 0 is a default for that. So it is, if you want to add as a column wise, we have to mention x is equal to 1. So in this way, concatenate operation works in NumPy array, and this is how joining operation is done in NumPy array. We can concatenate two or more arrays according to our need and according to our requirement. If we want to concatenate as a row wise, we have to mention x is equal to 0, and if we want to concatenate as a column wise, we have to mention x is equal to 1. So that is the concatenate function for joining operation. Yeah, that's all for today. Stay safe and keep learning. Thank you very much.